We're going to talk about cleaning up the formatting of Canadian postal codes. I worked this week on a list of thousands and thousands of entries, and the postal codes had been entered by a number of people, and so you had a great variety, and the formatting was quite often wrong. So I developed a method of testing the formatting of the cell, and then to apply the correct formatting to the postal code. So let's start, and we'll go to this first one here. So the first thing that we're going to check is we're going to check to see that there's seven spaces, so that there is a space in between the first three characters and the second three characters. So let's start with an if equals if, and then we're going to go length, and we'll go opening bracket, and then we're going to select the cell that we want to check the length of, and we're going to close the bracket, and we're going to go, if it's less than 7, if it's less than 7 then there isn't a space, so let's go less than 7, and we'll put a comma. So if that's true, then what you're going to do is you're going to put a space in. So let's go, we're going to select the first three characters from the left side. So let's go left, and we're going to go opening bracket, and we're going to select the cell, and we're going to put a comma there, and we're going to say we want the first three characters from the left side, and then we'll close the bracket, and then we need to put a space in there. So let's put the and symbol and quotation marks and a space and quotation marks. And now we want the three characters from the right side. So let's go the and symbol again, and we'll go right, and we'll select the cell, and we want the three characters, so go three characters, and then we're going to close that bracket, and we're going to close that bracket because we've done the space now. And then if the length is not, or is 7 or greater, we're just going to supply that, we're going to put a comma here, and then we're going to supply that value of that cell. Select the cell, and then we're going to close the bracket. Now this looks like it's fine, except for there's one problem. We need to have all the letters in uppercase. So let's put an upper around this. So let's go in front of the if, let's go upper, which is specifying that you need to have uppercase here. And then so we have upper on the start of it, and then we need to have our closing bracket at the end. We'll press enter, and so there wasn't any change there, but let's scroll down, and so here we have a postal code that has no spaces and no capital letters, and here it's formatted it perfectly. It's put spaces in all of these, and it has changed it to all uppercase. So that's how we format our Canadian postal codes in Excel. Please subscribe.